Finding the right mop can make all the difference when it comes to efficient cleaning. If you're looking for the best flat mop, you've come to the right place. These mops offer superior control, coverage, and ease of use for any floor type. In this video, we'll walk you through some of the top options available, helping you make an informed decision for your home. Let's dive in! BOSHENG Mop and Bucket. The BOSHENG Mop stands out as one of the best cleaning solutions for those looking to combine functionality and affordability this year. This flat mop features a 360-degree rotating rectangular head, making it more effective for reaching tight corners and narrow spaces compared to traditional triangular or round mops. Its hands-free squeeze mechanism ensures you can wring out the mop without getting your hands dirty, adding a layer of convenience to your cleaning routine. The innovative bucket design includes two separate grooves, one for clean water and the other for drying, with two built-in scraping blades to clean the mop quickly and adjust moisture levels as needed. The set comes with 3 microfiber mop pads, ideal for both wet and dry cleaning, and these pads are machine washable, offering a cost-effective long-term solution. With its compact design, the entire set fits neatly inside the bucket for easy storage, making it a space saver for smaller homes or apartments. The BOSHENG Mop Set is a durable, efficient, and budget-friendly cleaning system that meets the needs of any household. For its price, it delivers excellent value without compromising performance. Microfiber Mop. If you're in search of a reliable, high-quality mop that brings professional-level cleaning to your home, look no further than the Microfiber Professional Mop. This mop offers excellent performance and durability at an affordable price, making it an ideal choice for daily or weekly floor maintenance. Designed with versatility in mind, it's equipped with an 18-inch mop pad that effortlessly covers large areas, while the 360-degree swivel head allows you to reach tight spaces and corners with ease. The adjustable stainless steel handle extends from 42 to 70 inches, ensuring optimal comfort and convenience for users of all heights. The mop works perfectly on a variety of floor types, including hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. Whether you're dry dusting or wet mopping, the premium microfiber pads absorb moisture and capture dirt and debris with impressive efficiency. The mop's flat head design ensures full coverage, while the dust mop pad does an excellent job of picking up pet hair and dust. The microfiber pads are machine washable, meaning they'll last through countless cleanings without losing their effectiveness. Overall, this mop provides a professional clean at home, offering fantastic value and performance for its price. Highly recommended. SWIFFER POWERMOP Kit. The SWIFFER POWERMOP Kit is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a fast, efficient, and easy floor cleaning solution. With its comprehensive kit, which includes the POWERMOP spray mop, 2 mopping pad refills, a floor cleaner, and batteries, it's ready to use right out of the box. The mop's design makes it effortless to clean, offering 5 times the cleaning power of traditional mops with hundreds of scrubbing strips that lock in dirt, making it perfect for tackling tough messes. It's also great for all sealed surfaces, including wood, tile, and vinyl. What really stands out is its speed and convenience. This mop lets you clean your floors in half the time compared to traditional mopping. Plus, the fresh scent left behind will keep your home smelling clean for hours. The solution works effectively on both wet and dry messes, and the mop head swivels 360 degrees for easy maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Its lightweight and compact design makes storage simple. If you're looking for a reliable and quick way to clean your floors, the SWIFFER POWERMOP is a game changer. Highly recommended. PURSTEAM Steam Mop. The next product in our review spotlight is the PURSTEAM 10-in-1 Steam Mop, a standout option for those seeking a versatile and affordable cleaning solution in 2025. This steam mop delivers exceptional performance, combining a powerful steam cleaner and a detachable handheld unit for a complete cleaning experience. One of the key features of the PURSTEAM mop is its chemical-free cleaning, using only heated steam to sanitize surfaces. This is a great choice for families with children or pets, ensuring that your floors are both clean and safe. The mop heats up in just 30 seconds, allowing you to quickly get to work, whether you're tackling hardwood, tile, or even carpets. The included carpet glider is an excellent addition, enabling you to clean rugs with ease. With its lightweight design and swiveling mop head, the PURSTEAM is easy to maneuver around furniture in tight spaces. The detachable handheld steamer is perfect for cleaning upholstery or even steaming clothes, making it a multi-purpose tool in your cleaning arsenal. Overall, the PURSTEAM 10-in-1 Steam Mop offers impressive value for money, delivering solid cleaning power with convenient features and a variety of attachments. For those looking for an efficient and budget-friendly cleaning tool, this product is certainly worth considering. OXO Good Grips Butterfly Mop. The OXO Good Grips Butterfly Mop is a top-tier cleaning tool that excels in performance and ease of use. This mop is designed for anyone who wants a fast, efficient cleaning solution without compromising on quality. The microfiber layer on the sponge ensures a thorough clean by trapping dirt and debris with every swipe, while the wide surface area allows you to cover large spaces quickly. The elevated feet keep the sponge off the floor, allowing for better airflow and faster drying, making it perfect for repeated use without worrying about germs. The handle is comfortable to grip, and with a simple pull, the mop wrings itself out, eliminating the need for manual effort. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, or laminate, the OXO Butterfly Mop provides superior cleaning power with minimal hassle. Its durable steel pole ensures it can handle heavy-duty mopping, while the pivoting head makes it easy to reach under furniture and in tight corners. The mop is lightweight, easy to store, and the microfiber pad is washable, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. If you're looking for a practical, high-quality mop that gets the job done, this one is highly recommended.